Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. Today I want to demo a new feature in the latest edition of Photoshop Elements. And I already have a few photos of our family Christmas celebration in the photo bin. And this new feature is called Photo Reel, and it's found under the Create menu, top left. And if I choose Photo Reel, they will automatically open in the dialog. I have this standard 9x16 selected. I could click on the square preset and it automatically reframes the photos. Or we have presets for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, which has been renamed X, and Threads. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the original 16:9. See that the algorithm automatically reframes the subject, and if it doesn't get it absolutely perfect, you do have the opportunity to recompose by selecting the move tool, and if you click in the image you can move it about and get what you think is the best composition. But the algorithm usually gives a good starting point. That one looks fine to me. This one needs a little bit of adjustment. I'm going to zoom out with this one so that I've got more room to make the adjustments. And I think I'm going to just get the boy in the photo, something like that. Needs to be brought down a bit more so we don't distort his head. I think that's fine for that one. This one looks okay. I just use the arrow keys just to bring the subject more central into the photo, and again something like that is fine. This number 5, that looks good as it is. So let's play the reel, and as you can see, it goes through pretty quickly. I can change the, let's pause this, I can change the timings, and I think I'm going to choose 1 second, and I can apply it to all of the photos. Let's play again, and you can see it's a little bit slower. And then we have the opportunity to export and to upload to a website or a blog, or to your favourite social media. It is possible to add to the 5 photos already open, and you can choose photos top right here from Organizer, and that you can filter by entire catalogue, by an album name, people, places, events or keywords. I'm going to just click done, and you can also open from a folder on your computer to add more photos. I've already made one previously, so let's have a look how it looks in a browser. And as you can see, I've added some text to the first slide, and also use the text tool to put some numbering in the top right hand corner. That's purely optional to your own taste, but you can see it continues to loop. Let's quickly summarize the main benefits of using Photo Reel in Photoshop Elements. I'll just close down this open image so that we have more screen. First of all, you can use any photos already on your computer. You're not restricted to using photos in Camera Roll or a gallery on your phone, and that's one of the main benefits. Secondly, you can create a reel in Photoshop Elements and share it to multiple social media platforms without restriction normally. I mean, if you use different apps for different followers, you can actually share between apps, but it often means going into settings, and you have to give special permissions, and it can be quite cumbersome. And if you decide to share, for instance, TikTok watermarked media on Facebook, it will usually get downgraded, or it will restrict the viewings that your fans will get. Another benefit is being able to export as GIF or an MP4 video file. And finally, if you have Premiere Elements, you could use the MP4 file for further editing to add your own music or songs. It's Photoreal in Photoshop Elements. Hope you like it. Have a play around with it. And if you have any comments, put them in the video below. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.